yeah, as I said, it was, first of all, it was out of, you know, Bänkschaft, out of yearning to remember my parents. Both passed away when I was very young. And also, yeah, a will, a strong need, urge to read Yiddish poetry, Yiddish literature. I remembered my father, you know, sitting and translating into Yiddish. And I thought that he must have been pretty fluent with Yiddish poetry himself. And he wrote Yiddish poetry, as I found in, you know, lately. So, yeah, I wanted to read the original, not the translation. And then I just fell in love, you know. Then it kind of, you know, it was inertia. Whenever I opened the dictionary, you know, several dictionaries, you know, I thought to myself, you know, what a normal person loves to open dictionaries and look in dictionaries. But, you know, I felt at home in the Yiddish dictionaries, you know, not to mention Yiddish books, Yiddish literature, Yiddish poetry. So many images changed. You know, I never knew that there were Yiddish anarchists, mainly in New York, but not only, back in Europe also. I never knew that so many secular people wrote in Yiddish, and it was Yiddish that served them and as a literary tool, yeah, and an ideological tool. And also, you know, now I can read postcards that my grandmother wrote to, and she wrote a lot, to my father from Galicia when he was in British Palestine. And